want to buy it, but I had to. I won't do it. Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Today I have an unboxing and I'm really excited about this unboxing. This is a very, very cute bag that came up. And I'm adding, I didn't want to buy it, but I had to. I didn't want to buy it, but I had to. No, I didn't have to. But I'm adding to this section of my collection right here. And I've slowed down. I have slowed down. I'm like not going to, but it is a Wilshire is what she said it was. And it isn't so cute. It is an East-West. And this is a semi-recent purchase, and I'll try to put the dates. But isn't she cute? When I saw it and the price point that I got it, I remember thinking, that's a good price. Here's the front. Well, there we go. There's the front, here's the side, here's the back, the other side, here's the bottom, here is the top, and then when you open it up, ta-da. So I don't know anything about this. Did I do research? No. We all know how that turned out not too long ago. But it does have water damage, and I'm fine with that. You know, it has the damage here, or whatever. I mean, I say water damage because that's what it looks like, but no, it has an owie there. How about that? It just has an owie there. And it has an owie here. And then here is where, yeah, here the corners right there are done there, and then a little rough, and the corners here, they're not as rough, there and there. And the handles, they're not as discolored, but they are not crunchy. I say crunchy, but they you know, are real flexible. But I like that. You know, people are selling off their items in the hopes of getting the new, you know, getting the newer stuff or what have you. And I'm like, I'm all for it, because if I can get it for this price, then I'm happy to get it. Here is the label here. I just thought I thought that was really pretty. It says the Louis Vuitton right here, right across there. The canvas is in like really, really nice condition. So this is one of the bags that I think she had reached out to me because she knows that I kind of like the vintagey ones. And since I'm a loyal buyer from her, so she packs it really good. I don't remember if she said this has a vintagey smell or not. Let's see. I don't remember. Nope. It's very, very clean on the inside. Very, very clean. See? It's got some, you know, maybe some dust bunnies. So it has this here, right here. So I don't know if it came with a little pouch once upon a time, or what have you, you know, or if it's just there so that you could put items on. So on the inside of here, there is some roughness here. And it's lived in, just like me. It's lived in just like me. And here's the zipper, the back zipper here. It also has, you know, somewhere to the vachetta. Okay, see, I try not to think about it. I don't know, is this microfiber? She actually did tell me. I don't remember. I can't find the invoice. I can't find the notes. But it's really soft. It's soft. It's really, really soft. Very clean. See, I'll show y'all. Very, very clean. Very clean. It's such a cute little bag. I'm gonna stuff it back up. Oh, actually, no. I had quit doing this. I used to do this one a few times when I first started my channel, and I kind of got away from it. But I find that if I don't do it now, I won't do it. I won't do it. I wanted to clean it up a little bit, or just kind of condition it. Hold on a second. Okay, this is what I use. I saw a leathersman use this and recommend this on YouTube. It's just a 3-in-1 leather wipes. He gets them off of Amazon. Is where I found them. They're 3-way. They clean, condition, protect, and then they're safe on all. Clean, condition, protect, and then safe on all. I normally do a wipey as well, baby wipe, mainly to make sure that there's dirt, but I know this vendor will kind of clean all that off and for me, so I don't have to worry too much about that. You know, mainly it's like when it comes from Shop Goodwill, Goodwill Finds, that kind of stuff, I will definitely do the baby wipes. I don't even wait to condition it first, because that's how I cope. That's how I cope with you know, with how they handle their bags and stuff. So I just wanted to clean this up. If it was a brand new bag or brand new item, I'd be afraid to do this. But because this is loved, I got it at a very decent price. For me, it was comfortable. For somebody else, it may not have been, or may not be worth it to somebody else. But it is to me. So I'm not afraid to do this. I'm not afraid to do this. And like I said, I used to do this a lot, just kind of show y'all, mainly because I was still kind of afraid of touch stuff there. But now, like, everything kind of lives in quarantine. That's one of the other things too, I think, psychologically, after the happenings of the world, 2020, 2021, you know, it's just kind of like I kind of quarantine everything no matter what. And we kind of would do it anyway, not as significant as we needed to, or we all needed to. But because I have an autoimmune disease and my immune system, my immune system is compromised, I try to be as careful as I can. And right now, currently, I'm doing this, actually recording this August, oh no, it's August the 2nd. It's August the 2nd. So I am at the tail end of the candy cane recovery. And I'm still in the middle, towards the end of recovering from my flare-up from RA. I thought I was over it, and then I kind of pushed it too much. And oh, it says Vuitton on the hardware. Very cute, very, very cute. I don't know if you can see it. I like that. I just think I like details like that. I think is impressive. And apparently they're not doing that anymore with the new bags. I mean, I guess they're trying to save money where they can, but you know, we all know they don't need to cut back. They make plenty. But it is what it is. It's what have you. But that's another reason too why I like getting these older ones, because I get to, I'm being able to afford those details that all of y'all fell in love with, you know, but at a much, well, maybe not a much better rate, but maybe what the rate was originally when these came out, you know. So that's why I can't use my iPad right now. I'm in the process of trying to upload a collab, and I don't know if it's gonna go or not. It's the first one was sitting there for an hour just clocking. I don't normally upload on Thursday nights. For Friday, I usually wait to do it, but with being sick and with COVID and all the things that kind of were going on, it pushed me behind with editing, and it just didn't get done. Just not get done. So it's gonna go up late, and I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that. It's like I told my fellow collaborators that go ahead, and as soon as mine gets up, then they can link mine in there. I just wanted to give that a little love. because if I don't do it right away, and you know, it's still like it was a little dirty. I don't know if you can see, a little bit of dirt came off, like you can probably see right there, came off. But this is the way I just do that. I used to, like I said, I used to do it, and then I had a few viewers kind of say, what do you do? And I'm like, the very minimal. The very minimal. This is why I try to be careful how I quit buying rehab bags. But believe me, I probably have, I know at least 5. I have at least 5. Oh, okay. Here's the other reason why I got it so inexpensive. I forgot about it. I thought it was a thread, but it's not. Right here is a pin mark. People, leave those pins alone. Please, please. She really wanted, she pointed this out to me, and I went, yeah, that's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm okay with that. and she had it a great price, but this is such a cool bag. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's do what fits. Dee Dee Bean's gonna do what fits. Always crack up because I don't do that. I know where my lane is at. I'm an unboxing channel. I'm pushing hard with that, and I'm okay with it. I'm just a big shopper. I love to shop. So let me see what fits and what I have here. Okay, what I have at my hands that I would normally carry, and this just hasn't made it back into my bag because I've been sick, and so coming back from the cruise, I didn't take these with me. So here's my little LV agenda, and I usually try to carry that with me for notes. And then here is my little business card holder, which I love. Maybe all of y'all haven't seen my business cards. I got them on Amazon, but it's got my logo. And then it just has my information on the back. I need to update the picture, but I still have a few of these. I don't really hand them out too much. I hand them out on the cruise, and this past cruise I didn't. I don't know why Dee Dee didn't do it. I had too many YouTube things going on, that I was trying to get loaded and stuff before I left. So right now, currently, I'm in this pretty little girl. This one I absolutely had to have for the day, and it worked out great. And it's a crossbody, and the chain is super long. I mean, it's a generous chain. The only thing I would wish, for me, it's great, but if Coach, to make it maybe even more versatile, is if they would do those chains that have the balls where you can make it longer and shorter, because they have those. Can't imagine it would cost them that much more. So what I had in here is I had some perfumes. Some little Dior samples of lipstick and a lip gloss in there. What else did I have back here? Oh, the receipts. It's really tight. Everything's really tight. The receipt. And this is what it looks like in there. What I had in here is, this is actually change, like a real change. A real change purse. And kept my money. I have some money still, yay. Oh, here's what I was looking for. See, my hands had swollen up. Here's my rings and my wedding rings. That's where I put it. I couldn't remember where I put them. Help me remember at the end of this. So I'm going to put the receipt back in here. I didn't realize I had some money left. I don't even know how much money I have left. Okay, so let me put that in there. This is the power bank, but I'm trying to think what purse that I had. What purse was I in before this one? It might be in the living room. So I use this power bank, and this power bank lives in the pouch. It lives in my LV vintage cigarette holder. So it lives in there, it's home. So what I'm gonna do is put it in here because before I had that, I would keep it in these kind of pouches just to keep with me. And this, I think in this bag, it will fit. There we go. I like to keep my things contained because, you know, because of my hands, I drop stuff all the time. So I was in this. It's really tight. I couldn't get my cards out. I had to get help because my hands just couldn't do it. They couldn't do it. And then I had these cards separate. So cards, oh, I'll put them in the card case, the business card case. So that's what I do is I just put all my cards in here. There's plenty of room. So that will go in there for now. And another receipt. Okay, that stays there. That's the cards. Okay, so that is everything out of here. I will stuff it later and put this back here. Okay, so what I would also normally have is I have a keep-all, a baby keep-all, and so that's where I would keep this, and I would keep some perfume, but for now we'll pretend that it is stuffed, and put it in here. So I think all this kind of represents what I normally keep on a daily basis. So also too, I keep this, and I would have, you know, sometimes what I'll do is I'll keep just the bare minimum that I need, like in case I need to go buy something in the store, put gas. And if I was sick, since this does not have a crossbody, it's just a top handle, then I can just grab this and use that. And let me just organize this a little bit. Okay. So this is how it looks like on the inside. And there's still plenty of room, And it's not really heavy, and I can keep it in the crook of my arm, or I can top handle it. Let me see if I can get up. So here it is, carrying it this way. I would carry it like here. Here's where I would carry it. So there or here. This is probably right here. Actually, that feels very comfortable. Very comfortable. Let me see if I can put you back a little bit. If I move my chair, I can stand back. Yeah, there we go. So it's very light, very comfortable. I still kind of am hands-free, and I'm like, okay. So I still have another hand available if I need to use a cane or what have you. Sometimes I will use the cane and keep my hands on the same one, the cane on the same hand, and that way they still have a free hand. This is really cute. Oh my goodness. So I know this is called the Wilshire tote. I don't know what year. I don't know any of that stuff. I don't even know where to look at it. She showed me all this stuff, but I don't remember. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for visiting me. I greatly appreciate it. Here's an addition to my Louis Vuitton collection, but on the affordable side, on the, I'm gonna call it vintage because she did, vintage side. If you have any information you want to tell me, if you want to tell me that it's wrong, if you know what year it is, if you had one, let me all know down in the chats. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you all for who recently have subscribed to me. If you feel so compelled, I beseech you to please subscribe and help me get to my goal of 1,010. Thank you, Beanbeauties. Love you so much. Bye-bye.